Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you guys? I hope you guys have a good day. And us from Group 3 of PAP 2022 International Class will present about our evaluation meeting at Toseba Mahakam. But first, let us introduce ourselves. Me, Muhammad Akhyar, as a manager of Toseba Mahakam.
My name is Afrina Reva Anwari as a head of administrative departments.
Me, Nadhifah, as a head of inventory control.
And me, Putri Alma Aurelia, as the head of financial department. And please enjoy our videos.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, first of all, I would like to thank everyone who has taken the time to attend our event today. And also, I express my deepest appreciation for the hard work that we have put into running Toseba Mahakam in accordance with our respective duties and responsibility over the past 3 months. And today, we are holding an evaluation meeting to review the achievement that we already have made, the challenges that have arisen, and the steps that we take to improve in the future itself. The order of the first presentation itself will begin with me as manager, after that Afrina as administration, Nadhifah as secretary control, and the last will be Aurelia as the finance manager. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. The first, for me, Muhammad Miftahul as a manager of Toseba Mahakam, I am performing various tasks and monitoring over the past 3 months. And there are several things that I would like to convey as an initial evaluation. Which is, first, I already forward important documents, for example like checks, bills, delivery orders, and many things, to several departments using internal memos. The next one is attend a meeting and business trip to expand Toseba's network, approve the issuance of checks and bills for payments and credit collection with creditors and partner agencies. And the last, I also prepared the monthly salary calculation draft for all team members. So far, as manager, I have not encountered any obstacles in carrying out the progress and responsibility assigned. Our activity has been looked smoothly and in accordance with the existing procedures. And that's all the project I made. Next, I would like to invite the administration manager to submit an evaluation report for the last 3 months. For Afrina, time is yours.
Okay, thanks Mr. Miftah for the opportunity. Okay, on this occasion today, evaluation meeting allow me from the administration department to present a reporting regarding our work progress and the challenge we faced in carrying out our duties during the last period. For the first is recent work progress. Here are some achievements and development during the evaluation period. Like archival data updates, we have completed until 90% of the digital archive data updates, including the transfer of several other documents to the digital format for easier access. The next is monthly report preparation. Monthly administrative report have been prepared and submitted on time and relevant for units. The next is improve mail distribution accuracy. The distribution of incoming and outgoing mail is now faster with an average delivery time 1 until 2 business days, resulting in more effective internal communication. The next is internal activity coordination. During this period, we have supported the preparation of several of these activities, including cross-departmental coordination meeting and monitoring activities with more organized and structured minutes. The next is inventory monitoring. Of inventory updates have reached out until 95% complete and are in final stage for official database updates. However, we still encounter several obstacles like delays in document delivery from several units which hampered the archiving and report preparation process, limit human resource due to increased workloads, especially during the reporting and data updating periods. The next is technical issues with the digital system, operational issues with the digital archiving system such as a slow server or difficulty for uploading documents, hampered other document digitalization process, and suboptimal procurement coordination. The concludes of this evaluation report from the administration department, we are committed to continuously improving the quality of administrative service by improving workflows, increasing service speed and strength to coordination between units. We also hope for support from our department to for deliver document on time, optimize cross-unit communication, and work together to maintain smooth office operations. So that all our administration department, thank you for your nice attention and cooperation. I'll give it back to Mr. Miftah.
Okay, thank you so much for Mrs. Afrina for your presentation and progress. Okay, next I would like to invite Nadhifah as inventory control division to report the result of the inventory evaluation and many things. For Mrs. Nadhifah, time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. At this end of my meeting, allow me to briefly review the main duties and responsibilities of our warehouse team, as well as a few important points for improving our operation in the coming month. As we all understand, the warehouse is not only a place for storage, but also a key control center for the movement of goods. Its accuracy and efficiency directly affect the overall performance of our organization. Therefore, several key responsibilities need our continuous attention. First, adjusting and ensuring the accuracy of warehouse stock. Every team member must make sure that the physical stock in the warehouse matches the recorded data in our system. This includes routine checking, stock taking, and correcting any discrepancies. Accurate stock data is essential for smooth ordering, distribution, and cost control. Second, recording incoming and outgoing goods. Every item that enters or leaves the warehouse must be documented clearly and in a timely manner. This record includes quantity, date, supplier or destination, and the condition of goods. Attention to detail is very important to avoid duplication, missing records, or errors in tracking items. Next, cross-checking minimum and maximum stock levels. We need to ensure that each item remains within the safe stock range. When stock approaches the minimum level, a purchase request must be made immediately. On the other hand, if stock exceeds the maximum limit, this must be communicated so we can avoid overstocking, which can take up space and increase storage costs. Monitoring min-max levels help maintaining a stable and efficient inventory. Fourth, preparing delivery documents and invoice for items ordered by external parties. This document must be accurate and complete, with all required information included. Even small mistakes may cause delivery issues, billing problems, or misunderstanding with our clients. Therefore, reviewing all documents before sending them is an important step that must not be skipped. Ladies and gentlemen, through this responsibility, we expect our warehouse operation to continue supporting the organization effectively. Moving forward, let us improve coordination, main data accuracy, and strengthen discipline in every process. With good teamwork, we can ensure that the flow of goods runs smoothly, safely, and reliably. That concludes my report. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Mrs. Nadhifah, for your presentation and progress of inventory control at Puspasari. And the last, I would like to invite the finance division to submit a report regarding expenses, cost efficiency, and other matters in that finance team have to do. So for Mrs. Putri, Alma, Aurelia, the time is yours.
Thank you, Ms. Miftah, for the opportunity. As the finance manager, I am pleased to present the financial report and evaluation of Tasabah Mahakam activities over the recent period. Our primary focus has been on maintaining whole cash flow, ensuring payment accuracy, and strictly controlling operational costs. First, regarding accounts receivable and payable, we have successfully managed the collection of receivable from our credit customers, such as Hotel Kartika and Hotel Pelangi. On expenditure side, we have settled our obligation to our agents, including PT Garuda Wisnu and PT Borobudur, using Billiard Giro. A key highlight of this month is our efficiency strategy. By prioritizing payments within the discount period, we successfully secured a 2% purchase discount on our transaction. This demonstrates our commitment to reducing costs wherever possible. Second, regarding operational expense, to ensure smooth daily operation, we have processed payment on time for essential utilities, including the electricity, telephone, and water service. We also manage the reimbursement of the manager business trip expense and process the monthly payroll for all employees. Third, regarding financial control and accuracy, we have maintained the petty cash fund using the Impress system and have already processed the replenishment for the upcoming months to support the administration division. Furthermore, we have received the bank statement from Bank Polytechnic and successfully complete the bank reconciliation process to ensure our internal records match the bank data perfectly. In conclusion, Tasabah Mahakam financial condition remains stable. Moving forward, the finance division will continue monitor cash flow strictly and coordinate with the inventory division to ensure that stock purchase align with our budgets. And that's conclude the financial report. I will give it back to manager.
Alright, thank you Mrs. Putri Alma Aurelia for your purpose presentation. And also, that presentation also served as a closing of this meeting. And I would like to thank all division for the reports and explanation you have presented guys. All focus and challenges reported will be used as a material for our evaluation to improve the service quality and the operational performance of Tasabah Mahakam. After this, I would like to ask for your assistance, Mrs. Afrina, Reva, Anwari, to prepare the minutes of today's meeting based on the audio recording that has been prepared beforehand with the help of artificial intelligence itself. And also, if there are no further addition, is there something you guys want to say? Okay. If there are no further addition, we will conclude today's meeting. Let us continue to maintain good communication and carry out our duties accordingly. Lastly, thank you so much for your hard work over the past 12 months at Tasabah Mahakam. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.